Meditation. I'm so lucky to be having a healthy body. I can really enjoy playing with my children. We will begin this visualization exercise with relaxation. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel a wave of relaxation flow down throughout your body. To enter the state of physical relaxation level 3, mentally repeat and visualize the number 3 several times, which takes you to level 3, a deeper level than 4, and much deeper than levels 5 and 6. Level 3 is for relaxation, to learn to relax from head to toes in a matter of seconds. To help you learn to relax physically at level 3, I'm going to direct your attention to different parts of your body. Now focus your attention on your scalp. Relax your scalp. You may say mentally to yourself, "My scalp is relaxed," and feel the muscles on your scalp relax and flow. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes and the muscles around your eyes. Relax your face. Relax your throat. Relax your shoulders, arms, and hands. Relax your chest, externally and internally. Relax your back and the muscles along your spine, all the way down to your buttocks. Relax your abdominal area, externally and internally. Relax your thighs. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. You are now at a deeper, healthier level of mind, deeper than before. Whenever you mentally repeat and visualize number 3, your body will relax as completely as you are now, and more so every time you practice. To help you enter a deeper, healthier level of mind, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. I will then snap my fingers. At that moment, you'll project yourself mentally to your ideal place of relaxation. I will then stop talking to you, and when you next hear my voice, 1 hour of time will have elapsed at this level of mind. My voice will not startle you. You'll take a deep breath, relax, and go deeper. 1, 2, 3. Project yourself mentally to your ideal place of relaxation. Relax. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax and go deeper. Experience yourself with your family, your children, spending some time together outside, playing on a perfect summer day. You are immensely enjoying the fun and the play. You roll around the cool green grass like a rag doll, playing and rolling back and forth. See your children climb on your back and your legs and all across your body, hanging on you from different sides and playing. Experience yourself jumping up and down with ease, chasing your children. Feel how light you are on your feet as you pretend to be caught by your children and roll around on the ground. Experience the sounds they make as they attack you when you go back to attack them. Experience the fragrance of the grass as you roll around in it. Enjoy the sun shining in your face as you face upward. Feel the warmth of your children's body as they pile up on you. Feel yourself squirm as they tickle you. Feel yourself shout, pretending to get away. So much fun to play and enjoy this time with them. You are a being of light and energy, manifesting in a human experience. Enjoying these human experiences in a way that only you can as a human being. Yet you are energy, and energy is you, boundless, weightless, flexible. Feel each cell of your body laugh and play together with your children as you roll around in the grass. Your cells laugh. Each cell smiles and dances and plays like your children. Inside this experience you call your body. Your children are dancing and playing inside your body. They dance like little cells, moving around, playing, having fun. They flow through your veins and play and roll around inside. They too are energy beings, and there is no difference between them and you. You are one with energy. Each atom is serving your desires. Atoms which make up your cells, which make up your body, exist as all possibility. They behave like children, playing, playful, fun, happy, full of energy. They make up the cells in your body, and they are listening to you and are happy to be with you. Feel your body and cells playing inside of you, like the children in the grass. The energy flows in your body as it flows on a hot summer day, playing with your children in the sun. You are energy. You are light, flexible, joyous, happy, and healthy. Experience this feeling of dancing, playful cells in your body, children around you, inside you, and put the 3 fingers together of either hand and say to yourself mentally, whenever I want to feel this way, think this way, or behave this way, all I have to do is put the first 3 fingers of either hand together, and it will be so. Whenever I want to feel this way, think this way, or behave this way, all I have to do is put the first 3 fingers of either hand together, and it will be so. The following preventative statements are for your better health. Repeat mentally after me. I maintain the health and wholeness of my mind and nervous system, and I continuously strengthen them. I maintain the health of my heart and circulatory system, and I continuously strengthen them. I maintain the health of my respiratory system, and blood-forming system, and I continuously strengthen them. I maintain the health of my digestive system, my metabolism and my senses, and I continuously strengthen them. I maintain the health of my digestive system, my metabolism and my senses, and I continuously strengthen them. I maintain the health of my bones, my joints, and my muscles, and I continuously strengthen them. I maintain the health of my immune system, and I continuously strengthen it. Negative thoughts and negative suggestions have no influence over me at any level of the mind. I will always maintain a perfectly healthy body, mind, and immune system. Every time you function at these levels of the mind, you will receive beneficial effects physically and mentally. You may use these levels of the mind to help yourself, to help your loved ones, or to help anyone who needs help physically and mentally. You may use these levels of the mind to help your loved ones physically and mentally. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5 and then snap my fingers. At that moment, you'll open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling good and perfectly healthy, feeling better than before. Your eyesight and hearing improve every time you function at those levels of the mind. 1, 2, coming out slowly now. 3. At the count of 5, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. Feeling the way you feel when you have slept the right amount of revitalizing, refreshing, healthy sleep. 4, 5. Eyes open, wide awake, feeling good and perfectly healthy, feeling better than before.